Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bria, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is basically like the second part of the style journey that I'm doing. And from the last video that I did where I shared just like what I'm trying to do to build up my wardrobe. So right after the last video, I already had clothes that I ordered, and this is the first like package I got so far. So I wanted to do like a quick unboxing of what I ordered, and I'll probably have like a video right here of like me wearing it so you guys can see how it looks on me too. So the brand that this package is from is called Cider, and I found them on Instagram and I just really liked their style, and it's sort of like it's like the kind of clothes that they have is like what my style is, or like what I'm going for basically. So I thought they'd be a cool brand to shop from, and I don't normally shop from them, so I just wanted to like venture out and like find some new people to shop with. So yeah, this is the package. Ooh, okay. So they sent me these like cute stickers. I don't know if that's in focus, but don't look at my nails. I have to get my nails done, sorry. But yeah, so these look really good. Like, I've been trying to find like good quality brands that have like good quality clothing and it's not like cheap. And when I was looking at their stuff, I was like, yeah, and like their price point, I was like, yeah, this probably is like, I feel like I could get a win from this. And just from looking at it, their clothes look like I got my money's worth so far. So this is the first thing I got, and it's so cute. So it's like this sweater crop top, and then like I said, I'll have like a video of me wearing it in the next to me, or like over this video. So yeah, I got a size small, and I've low-key been having trouble with like finding the right sizes for things, because certain brands, their smalls are like super tight, and like other brands, their smalls actually fit me. So it's like, yeah, I've been trying to like make sure I get the right sizes. But this one looks really good. Like, this is actually really cute, and it looks like good quality. So I'm really happy with this. It's obviously summer now, so I probably won't be wearing this that much, but I'll have it for like the end of the year. So yeah, that's cool. The next one, I think I got like 3 pants, or 2 pants and 2 shirts. Okay, the next one, I'll do the other shirt first. Oh, this is so cute, and this is like their bags, which is really cool. So the next one is this bodysuit. Oh no, it's not, it's a top, never mind. I didn't get the bodysuit from here. Ooh, this is really, really cute. I like this. So it's like a bandana crop top, and then the back is like you tie it. So like I said, you'll see a little clip of it. This is really cute. I'm excited to like style these pieces. Yeah, this is really cute. Okay. Okay. Then we have 2 pants. These pants, which you guys will see the video, but these, and they have like the raw what do you call it, exposure, like seam exposure, and they're just trouser pants. I also got them in a small. Yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, these are like really nice. I like these. Yeah, this is like really good quality. I'm actually sort of surprised because I was thinking it wasn't gonna be that. I don't know, I just like, you know when like on Instagram the pictures be looking nice and then you get the clothes and it's like this quality's like mad cheap. I was expecting that, but it's actually like really good quality. So I'm really happy that I decided to try them out. I'll probably be shopping with them again because they have like really cute stuff on their page. Okay, and the last one are these pants. I've never had like plaid pants before, and they're like these like wavy lined plaid pants, so that's cool. These are extra small. Yeah, these are cool. I like them. Yeah, these are cute. I'm excited. And then I already have like a bunch of like basic tops coming in, which are like just solid colors, so I can style it with that. And then I'm gonna go thrifting in like 3 weeks or something like that. So I'm gonna try to do some like really cute styling videos for you guys. But yeah, that was the whole unboxing. I'm really satisfied with like the quality and how they look, so I know I definitely got my money's worth. I will definitely probably be shopping from them again, and yeah, I'll like keep you guys updated with like how they stay up to par like as I continue to wear them and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm also going to be trying to post more like sewing videos because I realized I actually really miss posting those. So you're probably gonna see a lot more like DIYs and thrift flips, because I like to get things like from the thrift store and then like alter them and stuff like that. And then I can also do like maybe alteration videos on like how to alter your clothes to make them look professionally altered, if you have to like size them up or size them down or something like that. So yeah, I'm really happy with what I have right here, and I'm excited for the rest of the videos I'm going to start posting. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.